everyone, welcome back to How to Login. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to sign up for Royal Bank on your mobile device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to sign up for Royal Bank account on your mobile device, first grab a mobile device and simply go to any web browser you want. In the address box at the top of the screen, type in www.rbcroyalbank.com and search. Once you end up in the official website of Royal Bank, click on the Sign In button at the top right corner and you'll end up in the login area for your bank account. If you already have an account, you can go ahead and enter your client card or your username into the first text field, followed by your password, and you can simply log into your account. But if you are not enrolled for online banking yet, you can simply tap on the Enroll Now button right next to New to Online Banking. Once you do that, go ahead and answer a question. For example, who would you want to enroll for? Choose either myself, or if you are signing up for your business, you can tap on My Business and tap on Enroll Now. Go ahead and answer if you have an RBC Royal Bank client card or credit card. If yes, tap on Yes. If no, select No. If you've selected No, then go ahead and fill in your transit number, your account number, your first name and then your last name to continue enrolling without a client card or credit card. If you already have one, you can select Yes and go ahead and enter your client card number or your credit card number. Now head over to the postal code text field and type in your postal code and finally click on Continue. Soon after you do that, simply follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be able to sign up for a Royal Bank account using your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.